In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate hours worked in Google Sheets. If you've been struggling with tracking and calculating the hours worked over a certain period, you're in the right place. Google Sheets, a powerful tool, makes it simple to manage time data with just a few steps. Whether you're managing your time or handling payroll, this method will make your calculations quick and easy. First, start by opening a Google Sheet that already contains your time data. If you haven't set up your data yet, no worries. Just make sure you have a column for the start time and another for the end time. This setup is foundational to ensure your time calculations are as accurate as possible. Having the information organized in this way keeps things clear for both input and subsequent calculations. Once you have your spreadsheet ready, the next step is to select and highlight the time data that you're going to work with. Click and drag your cursor over the cells that contain your start and end times. This selection is crucial because you'll be applying specific formatting to these cells. Now, with your time data selected, let's format it to ensure that Google Sheets recognizes it correctly as time. Head to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, navigate to Number, and then to Time. This formatting step is important because it tells Google Sheets to interpret the data as hours and minutes, allowing us to perform the correct calculations. Next, you'll click on an empty cell where you want the result to be displayed. Let's say this is for calculating hours worked on a particular day. Here, you'll enter a simple formula to find the difference between the start and end times. The basic formula you'll use looks something like this: end time cell, start time cell. The subtracting will give you the duration between these two times. If your end time is in cell B2 and start time is in A2, your formula should appear as equal B2A2. Once your formula is in place, press Enter to perform the calculation. Google Sheets will automatically calculate and display the total hours worked in that cell according to the data you've formatted. At this point, if your times are stored correctly and the formula is applied, you'll see your total hours appear instantly. There you have it, a simple yet effective way to calculate hours worked using Google Sheets. This approach is not only efficient, but also highly customizable to fit different time tracking needs. I hope you found this video helpful and that it empowers you to manage your time data more efficiently. Thank you for watching and have a productive day.